Hi everyone, my name is Stephanie Linane. I am from California, so you guys see a little sun behind me right now. I am road tripping down the state right now. So I would say my favorite part of the classes so far has been learning more about trauma and how trauma informs a lot of what we do as social workers. And that is really what drew me a lot towards Widener's program. So right now, professionally, I'm working at a wraparound program, and so we work with foster and probation youth. It's one of the most intensive services that the county can offer our youth, and so depending on the need, we see our kids quite frequently. We're really involved in their lives and family and do a lot of permanency work, independent life skills, coping skills, and things along those lines. I partner with at least one clinician, and then sometimes add therapists or other people to the team as well, depending on what the needs are. Yeah, so that is what I'm doing right now. I'm excited for this class. I like that this week we're already getting into policy work. I think that's something that really interests me and that I want to learn a lot more about. And so I hope I get to learn a little bit more about the macro level throughout this class. So I'm excited to work with you all. Happy 4th of July. I hope you guys are all doing well today. Thanks.